Hello and welcome to the Man Cave here in beautiful suburban San Diego, California at the Cooperman's Wistful Vistas. People are sometimes concerned that they get that wrong. Wistful Vistas should be pretty easy. In any case, it is an overcast day today, unusually late September, September 27th to be exact. And we had rain yesterday, first rain of the year, which is early and interestingly different for us. Last year was a very wet year, 2018. Perhaps 2019 will also be a little bit wetter, which is good for the ground cover. Of course, around here, not so good for the motorcycle riding. But we're going to get that. We'll handle it. We'll deal with it. The purpose of this particular vlog is twofold. Number one, I want to bring everybody up to date on the t-shirt giveaway contest. So the shirts actually first went out about a month ago, and there were 3 winners. I was going to just give away 1, but I had the opportunity and I went 3, and I figured one of them should be international, because the wonderful thing about the moto vlogging community is that it truly is international. I've been honored to correspond with people literally from the 4 corners of the earth. So one gentleman was in New Mexico, United States. The other gentleman is perhaps 50, 60 miles from here, just up in Irvine, California. Nice country, you know it well. The third gentleman was actually located in India. And of course that complicates the shipment a little bit. I tried to go an inexpensive way to get it to him first. I put it into normal mail delivery, but packages don't seem to do well in domestic internal India mail. And someone within the Indian mail department decided they wanted that shirt more than our hero did. So, and I am considering a hero. Because he did stay with us. But in any case, the shirt went missing, never got to him. So I got another one and put it into a commercial delivery service. And even that had some issues getting through the Indian customs. It's just not a straightforward situation. They wanted to charge him as if there were auto parts involved or motorcycle parts. And they wanted him to pay a customs fee that was crazy for a t-shirt. We prevailed, and he does have the shirt now, and he's promised to send a photograph of him when he does get the first opportunity, which I'm trusting will happen within the next week. And I will update the community, everybody that watches this channel, and show the pictures of the 3 gentlemen that have won these shirts. Very excited about it. It was a lot of fun, actually. A little nerve-wracking and time-consuming deal with that unfortunate situation in India. But it did work out, and the shirts are there. They're going to look great. I just know they are. So I will share that. Hope to do that within the next week, as I say. The other item on the agenda for this particular vlog is I purchased a new helmet. This is a Sedici from Cycle Gear. Now, Sedici means 16 in Italian. Cycle Gear, can you tell me the significance of that? Why 16 should be so important? It's a nice sounding name, not sure what it means. But I've been looking for a while for the correct vlogging helmet to use on the Ducati. Videoing on the Ducati has proven to be a little bit of a challenge. I've used a chest harness, and that gives sort of a limited forward vision, and people have commented on the issues with that. Didn't want to take my really good helmet and put a GoPro permanent mount on the side of it, because I just didn't want to waste a good helmet, because once you do that, it is forever and anon a moto vlogging helmet. You've got that big bubble on the side. Didn't want to do it. So this went on sale at Cycle Gear, in-house sale. It also includes a slim Bluetooth device on the outside, which I quite liked, actually. It's built-in Bluetooth, which I think will be very handy. I've gotten used to those. Helmet itself is a nice weight. The quality seems to be okay. And I will mount. I'm going to take it out on a couple of test rides with the Phantom here and check it out to see if it is amenable to being modified to become a motovlogging helmet. When I do that, I'm going to share that with everybody. I'll share that as I set it up to do that. Just enter the compound here at Wistful Vistas. We shall modify that, share the progress as we go through it, and do some rides as indeed we get into that particular little project. I've been out of pocket for a while, sorry about that, some family things to do, but we're back, some more videos, and hope to share them with you. And congratulations finally to the winners, and we'll look forward to seeing the photographs of those gentlemen in their genuine t-shirts. In the meantime, hail and ride safe out.